So I think ultimately, the people who got in the original production are performers with the biggest heart. And on that note, nobody, none of us can ever compare or compete with the Kokoy Laurel who sings with his heart, who sings for the Lord. Lagi siyang Kokoy is, pray for me, ha? Always pray for me. Because the first time I saw him sa Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Greencoat, even him, auditions for Joseph, para bang ano ba? Kokoy Laurel na yan. And then, with his guitar, he sang his own version of Our Father. And the world stopped for all of us. Because you see a guy talk to his Father. Yung version niya ng Our Father, it's like the version of a Jesus in Gethsemane, of Jesus Christ Superstar. Sincerely, authentically, prayed to his Father. Talagang, oh my God! So you can imagine kung ano yung Joseph niya. You can imagine kung ano yung close every door niya. Talagang,
Ano kaya audition niya sa Miss Saigon?
sumilip ako.
Oh.
Of course, sisilip ako. Ano na yun? Final auditions. Ilan ba kami? 20 ba kami or something? Ang makakapasok is 8 or something. Sa CCP, since malaki yung audition, may mga gaps na panel. Of course, sisilip ako. Kasi Kokoy Laurel na mag-audition. Kokoy sang, Bring Him Home. People never acknowledge that Kokoy not only sings with his heart, Kokoy is a trained artist. Juilliard graduate yung mama eh. The most beautiful tenor. Coming from a family that pushed him to be an artist. Considering political family yun. Talagang his mother, Celia, honed him to be an artist. Not only as a painter, pero puro manifestation of an expression. So when we see Kokoy, he knew that he was blessed. He knew that he got it. Pero hindi siya mayabang. He made sure na yung blessing niya, share niya. So lagi yon. Like lahat kami, meron kaming sariling apartment sa London. Sa kanya may piano. Because the Filipinos like to gather every Sunday. Magpapatla kami, kahit may birthday, walang may birthday. Our ways of relaxing is sama-sama pa rin kami to cook Filipino food. Kasi marami sa amin, hindi marunong magluto.
Sino nagluluto?
Si Isay marunong magluto yan, si Jenny magluluto yan. Si Mrs. Salonga. Kaya best friend ko si Leia because Mrs. Salonga cooks. For my survival, I need Mrs. Salonga. Alaga ko na si Leia. Leia was like, nene eh. So talagang, and then sasabay ka pa sa kotse niya. Kokoy ganun din. Hindi niya, si Kokoy, hindi mo marunong magluto yun. Ano luto ni Kokoy? But his flatmate was Michael Williams. Michael Williams is a mother, a housewife. There was one time, nakikilaba lagi si Kokoy. At ginagamit niya yung bathroom ni Michael. And Michael said, bakit dito ka maliligo? Because Kokoy didn't know how to wash his clothes. binabad niya doon sa bathtub niya lahat ng mga damit niya. Hindi niya alam labag. So ni Michael, meron tayong washing machine. Koko's concept of laba is laba sa ilog. Pinuno niya yung kanyang bathtub, linagay niya ng sabon. Hindi niya alam yung second process. Kaya pala nililigo siya sa bathroom ni Michael. I love you, Kokoy. But those are like,
Grabe
oh
yan,
my
anecdote,
God,
ah.
you are so sweet.
Pero you know, coming from yung mga Buena Familia and everything, it's amazing no, that he still had this kind of heart, di ba? So it must have been natural and innate for him.
Because music is for sharing. Hindi mo siya pwedeng solohin. Not only is he full of music, full of manifestations, he writes his own songs. So, we always have theme song of the Filipinos of Miss Saigon. So, lagi, pag nasa embassy, pag nasa party, pag nasa office ni Cameron, napapractice namin yung pagiging Filipino namin. Na kapag meron ng, oh, the Filipinos are here. And Cameron used to call us, my Filipino. Mas proud siya. So yun, andyan yung British Ambassador, andyan yung Andrew Lloyd Webber, my Filipino. So the only manifestation for us to thank him in gratitude is to sing. So lagi yung theme song. And then followed by Kokoy's original song, Pag-ibig na Dalisan. Lagi siya on the piano.
Teka muna, nakakalungkot lang kasi parang walang Spotify na Kokoy Laurel. Parang yung pagsisave ng mga music niya, parang hindi naasikaso. Like all these videos of Kokoy, parang, or maybe it's with the family, no?
Kasi nga laging live. And during that time, walang cellphone.
Oo.
Ano yun? Pero kami talaga ng video. Although, Cheche Lazaros followed us from our journey from Manila to London. Na-document yun. And si Kokoy lagi yung leader. So, kahit nag-Sydney kami, since engineer na siya, lahat ng ginawa namin sa London, ginawa rin namin sa Sydney. So, laging merong gathering ng Sunday. Because our shows is Monday up to Saturday. Sunday is our only day off. But the Filipinos are always clannish. Because lagi kaming nasa isang building, lagi kaming nasa isang area. So kapag nakapag-recover na kami, mga alas 5, alas 6, magpapatlak na. Alas 7, kumakato na kami.
Saya naman. Best memories of your life.
It's also parang puputok yung puso ko eh. That this happened to us. Can you imagine? Us opening in the West End of a hit musical.
And you had all these famous people like Queen Elizabeth now. I mean, watching you.
All the royalties were there. And kahit ako, para Lady Diana. Pag nakita mo, in person, talagang, prinsesa ka nga pala. Iba yung aura. Even that, hindi rin kami pwedeng kumuha ng camera. Kailangan mayroong official photographer from the Buckingham Palace. Kaya sinare ko sa'yo, from the Buckingham Palace yun. Kahit meron kaming camera, hindi kami pwedeng gumamit doon. Lahat ng photos namin na official.
Protocol talaga. Royal protocol. So, what years were these?
89 was London.
to 1992 ba yun?
Oh, it ran for 10 years.
But, you stayed stayed for 10 years, pero si Coco yata.
No, I stayed for 4.5 years.
Ah, okay.
Kasi naging resident na ako. And then I started doing television work for the BBC, Carlton, Channel 4. I stayed in London for 10 years.
Pero ayaw mo mag-PR doon, resident. Lamig eh, no?
Resident ako,
Ah, okay.
pero hindi ako citizen. And then, madali siyang mag-green card as
Oo nga.
exceptional ability as an artist.
Why didn't you make the choice?
I lived in London for 10 years. I lived in New York for 20 years. Na talagang lahat yun, biyaya ng Miss Saigon.
Oo.
Na nobody could even expect that that option will open for us. Kaya pag nandun ka, and then na-realize mo, parang lahat kayo nananaginip. Kailangan hawak-hawak tayo. Totoo to, nangyayari to, yung panaginip natin nangyayari. So yung love namin sa isa't isa, kahit hindi kami magkita, para kang natataka na kasama ka sa binayayaan. Same with Pinky, same with Janine, Isay and Robert. 5 years before Miss Saigon happened, nasa magsimula ka na kami. So yung talagang bonding namin na parang, wow, kasama ka sa journey. Last year, kasi nag-Miss Saigon dito.
Oo nga. So, is that the last time you met Coco?
Oo.
How was it naman?
Coco will always make you feel it's about you. Although pag nakita mo siya, naka-hunch na siya eh. Na parang, ano ba? What happened to you? Nalaglag daw siya. But he's always nonchalant about it. But I could imagine talaga, this guy is in pain. Ang hirap doon.